And still at the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament, a government MP has objected to the Finance Ministry's internal audit team assessing the books of the Auditor General's Department. While insisting the audit should be external, Everald Warmington also raised a number of questions about lease agreements at the Auditor General's Department. Andrea Chisholm picks up that story.
Petrojam, the Caribbean Maritime University, just two of the entities that have been under scrutiny due to damning reports by the Auditor General's Department. News came on Tuesday that the entity will get $114 million in the next fiscal year to do a forensic audit into oil losses at Petrojam.
Beyond the specific provision for the forensic audit, is there a provision for her to hire the staff so that she can fulfill her responsibility to this Parliament?
We have supported the Auditor General in the past in the request for expansion of staff members, and we will continue to do so.
Government MP Everald Warmington then reintroduced a topic he has been pushing for about 15 years.
I'm yet to see a complete audited report laid in this House as it relates to the Auditor General's Department.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark pointed out that financial reviews have been tabled in the House and 2 audit reports have been completed by the internal audit team of the Finance Ministry.
Instead of having your audit department does this, you get an outside auditing firm.
No,
I'll tell you why. Let me tell you why.
You've asked to get a lot of backlog done.
No, let me tell you why.
I'm going to get along. Don't ask me to do the job and then tell me how to do it.
No, what I'm saying, the different agencies. Hear me.
You asked for the you asked for the backdated.
But the reason why it's not being done all this time because the agency in your department are scared of the Auditor General. You need to get outside auditors. Yeah. They're afraid of them when they come back and audit you. Yeah. Then you at some adverse report. That's what I'm talking about.
You have asked for the backlog to be addressed. You've been asking for 15 years. I'm here to update you that I have 2 years of the backlog ready, just waiting for the management responses to be completed. And once they're completed, they're going to be tabled here.
The 2 years awaiting feedback from the management team of the Auditor General's Department are 2016-2017 and 2017-2018. In the absence of such reports, Warmington had a list of questions.
What were the lease agreement in terms of the lease for the Waterloo Road property that was occupied by the Auditor General? 2, the lease was in US dollars. 3, what was the time between the sign of the lease and the full occupation of that building on Waterloo Road? Okay? How much was spent to retrofit that building, including computers, not including air conditioning, electrical work, for the purpose of the Auditor General? 5, at the time the Auditor General left that building, was the building returned to the condition in which it was leased, or was it returned in the improved condition?
Mr. Warmington also wanted to know the terms of the lease arrangements for the Knutsford Boulevard office and if the government was billed in US dollars. Dr. Clark promised to respond. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.